So Masechet Yoma, Perek Rishon, Mishnah Aleph. The tractate of Yoma, first chapter, first Mishnah. Masachtenu kolelet 8 prakim. This Masechet is going to include 8 chapters. Shemehem shiv'at perkei harishonim. The first 7 chapters have got nothing to do with us. You're not relatable to us at all. Nothing to do with Yom Kippur, that we do. בתיאור סדר העבודה של הכהן גדול ביום הכיפורים את המקדש. It's going to tell us what did the high priest used to do in the temple. That's what it tells us. כמפורט בפרשת אחרי מות, it's actually an explanation of פרשת אחרי מות, ורק הפרק האחרון, only the last chapter of this whole מסכת, דן בהלכות הצום בענייני התשובה והכפרה. It's going to deal with us these days. The fasting and the tshuva and the atonement and so on. Shema Masechet Yoma. It was called Yoma be'aramit. It's an Aramaic name. Upirusho Hayom. It means the day. Haynu Hayom Miyuchad. It means a special day. Yom HaKippurim. V'chen hu nikra b'Gemara. This is also the name of Yom Kippur in the Gemara. Yom HaRabba. The big day. Hayom HaGadol. ואומנם בתוספת המקומות אחרים נקראת מסכתנו יום הכיפורים. There's other places where this מסכת is actually called יום כיפור, יום הכיפורים. הפרק הראשון, the first chapter, מתאר את הכנות הכהן הגדול לעבודתו ביום הכיפורים. Is going to start and describe how the Kohen Gadol used to prepare for יום כיפור. שכן כל עבודת היום אינו קשורה אל הבו. Why is that special? יום כיפור was a special thing. Why was it a special thing? Because every holiday, you depended on whom? You depended on yourself. In other words, you are responsible for what's going to happen in the holiday. Yom Kippur, you can do whatever you wanted in those times. It has nothing to do with you. If we get atonement and you don't get atonement, as 100% is on him. On whom? On him. On the high priest. Yeah? If he does his job correctly, we get atonement. If he doesn't do the job correctly, we're stuck. So, this is why. So, הפרק הראשון, his preparation ביום כיפור, שכן כל עבודת היום אינו קשרה אל הבו, because the only one who can do the work is the high priest. Nobody else can do the work. ומלבד הקורבנות המיוחדים של היום, besides the special sacrifice of that day, המפורטים פרשת אחרי מות. That are mentioned in אחרי מות, הרי הוא מקריב גם את התמיד של השחר. He also does the first sacrifice, the tamid of the morning, korban musaf, he also does the musaf, v'tamid sheben arba'im, and he also does the last sacrifice, the one of mincha. Mishnatenu bar elamed, we're going to see, this Mishnah is going to come and teach us, שההכנות אלו התחיל 7 ימים קודם יום הכיפורים, that the start of the high priest, the preparation, started a week before Yom Kippur. A week before Yom Kippur. Still have time, that's right. שאז עבר הכהן גדול לדור בלשכה מיוחדת לו בבית המקדש כדי להישאר בטהרה. A week before Yom Kippur, we separated him from his wife. Not only from his wife, not only from his wife, we separated him from the entire nation. Why? Because you know that everybody in the temple is what? Is pure. Outside, there's always a danger that, somebody's going to touch him. Somebody touched the high priest. Now you need to wait how many days? 7 days to become pure. So he's going to a week before get sprinkled just to make sure, and then he has a whole week to, for sure, he lives in the temple now. That's it. He's not going outside, not going inside. That's where it is, so that he doesn't become impure. We don't want any chances to take with him. כדי להישאר בטהרה. What he used to do, כל 7 הימים היה עוסק בעבודות התמיד. The 7 days he was busy doing the service of the tamid, the sacrifices, בהקטרת הקטורת, he used to bring the incense, ובהטבת הנרות, preparation of the candles. וזקני בדן היו משננים לו את סדר עבודת היום, and he used to review what he needs to do in Yom Kippur. It's a whole masechet, we're going to see. He needed to learn this masechet, the whole thing. He needed to learn this with the Gemara. Yeah, but we're just going to learn the Mishnah. כדי שיהיה בקיא ורגיל בה, so that we'll know everything, what to do, how to do, and we're going to continue this tomorrow, Bezrat Hashem.